Okay. Hi viewers, today I am going to present question and answer program for chapter 4 from introduction to management. The direction is as usual, choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the definition of decision making? A process of randomly choosing an option. B. A rational choice among alternatives. C. A spontaneous reaction to a problem. D. A method to avoid problems. The answer for question number 1 is B. A rational choice among alternatives. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of a program decision? A. Hiring a new CEO. B. Expanding into a new market. C. Approving an employee's leaving request. D. Launching an innovative product. The answer for question number 2 is C. Approving an employee's leaving request. Question number 3. What is the main difference between programmed and non-programmed decision? A. Programmed decisions require creativity while non-programmed decisions follow set rules. B. Non-programmed decisions are written while programmed decisions deals with new problems. C. Programmed decisions are repetitive and structured while non-programmed decisions are unique and unstructured. D. Programmed decisions only apply to lower level management while non-programmed decisions apply to all managers. The answer for question number 3 is C. Programmed decisions are repetitive and structured while non-programmed decisions are unique and unstructured. Question number 4. What role does uncertainty play in decision making? A. It ensures all decisions will be successful. B. It increases the difficulty of predicting outcomes. C. It eliminates the need for alternatives. D. It reduces the importance of problem analysis. Question number 4. Answer is B. It increases the difficulty of predicting outcomes. Question number 5. A manager at a manufacturing company must decide how to handle a machine breakdown. What type of decision is this? A. Program decision. B. Non-program decision. C. Strategic decision. D. Intuitive decision. Intuition decision. The answer for question number 5 is A. Programmed decision. Question number 6. A company is considering entering a new international market but is unsure of the potential risk. Which decision-making condition does this represent? A. Certainty. B. Risk. C. Uncertainty. D. Return. The answer for this question is C. Uncertainty. Question number 7. In which decision-making condition does a manager have a perfect knowledge of all alternatives and their outcomes? A. Certainty. B. Risk. C. Uncertainty. D. Intuition. The answer for question number 7 is A. Certainty. Question number 8. What is the purpose of the evaluation step in the decision-making process? A. To identify problems. B. To analyze alternatives. C. To assess the success of decisions. D. To randomly select a solution. The answer for question number 8 is C. To assess the success of the decision. Question number 9. A company chooses an alternative that minimizes risk but do not completely solve the problem. What is a potential issue with this approach? A. It avoids the real issue and may require further decision later. B. It guarantees long-term success. C. It is always the best solution. D. It eliminates the need for evaluation. The answer for question number 9 is A. It avoids the real issues and may require further decisions later. Question number 10. How should a manager assess the effectiveness of a decision? A. By ignoring feedback and moving forward. B. By comparing the result to the expected outcomes. C. By focus only on financial performance. D. By avoiding changes to the original plan. The answer for question number 10 is B. By comparing the result to unexpected outcome. Question number 11. If you were to design a decision-making model for a fast-changing business environment, what key element would you include? A. A rigid step-by-step process. B. A flexible approach that allows for quick adjustment. C. A focus only on past experience. D. The elimination of alternative solutions. The answer for question number 11 is B. A flexible approach that allows for quick adjustment. Question number 12. A company is developing an AI-based decision-making system. How could it improve managerial decision-making? A. By reducing all human decisions. B. By analyzing large amount of data to identify patterns. C. By eliminating the need for alternatives. D. By making a decision without human input. The answer for question number 12 is B. By analyzing large amount of data to identify patterns. Question number 13. What is the first step in decision-making process? A. Implementing the solution. B. Defining the problem. C. Developing alternatives. D. Evaluate outcomes. The answer for question number 13 is B. By defining the problem. Defining the problem. B. Defining the problem. Question number 14. Which of the following is a limiting factor in decision making? A. A company's available budget. B. The manager's personal performance. C. Employee satisfaction levels. D. The number of employees in a department. The answer for question number 14 is A. A company's available budget. Question number 15. What is the main purpose of developing alternatives in decision-making process? A. To limit choices. B. To increase the complexity of the decision. C. To ensure multiple options are available for solving the problem. D. To speed up the decision-making process. The answer for question number 15 is C. To ensure multiple options are available for solving the problems. Question number 16. What helps if a manager skips the analyzing alternatives steps in decision making? A. The decision will be more effective. B. The best possible option may be overlooking. C. The implementation process will be easier. D. The problem will automatically resolve itself. The answer for question number 16 is B. The best possible option may be overlooked. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a source of alternative in decision making? A. Past experience. B. Computator's analysis. C. Random guesses. D. Employees input. The answer for question number 17 is C. Random guesses. Random guesses. Question number 18. A retail company is setting its annual sales targets. What type of decision making condition applies? A. Certainty. B. Risk. C. Uncertainty. D. Price. The answer for question number 18 is A. Certainty. Question number 19. How does risk differ from uncertainty in decision making? A. Risk involves unknown outcome while uncertainty involves predictable probabilities. B. Risk involves predictable probability while uncertainty involves unknown outcome. C. Risk always leads to negative result while uncertainty leads to positive result. D. Risk requires no evaluation while uncertainty requires constant monitoring. The answer for question number 19 is B. Risk involves predictable probabilities while uncertainty involves unknown outcomes. Question number 20. What is a key factor in successful decision implementation? What is a key factor in successful decision implementation? A. Ignoring employees' concern. B. Ensuring proper communication and commitment from stakeholders. C. Making changes without a plan. D. Avoiding follow-up evaluation. The answer for question number 20 is B. Ensuring proper communication and commitment from stakeholders. Okay, this is all about chapter 4. Thank you viewers for attending this channel.